Hi family, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a hair regrowth spray for bald spots and thinning hair both for men and women, an alopecia remedy or treatment. This hair regrowth spray will definitely stop hair fall and treat your hair and strengthen your strands. So if you want to know about it, please do well to watch to the end of the video. And if you are new to my channel, my name is Muna, and in this channel I share a little bit of feminine hygiene, beauty, and also a lot of tips and tricks on how to grow a healthy hair. If it is what you like, please do well to join the family by pressing the red subscription button, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell button close to it so you get notified and don't miss out on any of my video. And do well to give the video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. Without further preambles, let's get started. So now, the first herbs on the list is our black seed, also known as kalonji or Nigella sativa or black cumin. Black seed curbs hair fall, nourish the hair follicle, soothe the scalp, and also stimulates hair growth. We also have fenugreek as the next on the list. Fenugreek is high in protein and nicotinic acid content, which are known to be beneficial against hair fall and dandruff also, and it also helps to treat variety of scalp issues. Fenugreek is also rich in folic acid, vitamin A, K, and C, and it's also a storehouse of minerals. The next we have on the list now is our lavender. Lavender is known to treat head lice. It's also known to condition the hair and also stimulate hair growth and also treat scalp inflammation. The next we have is our peppercorn or black pepper. Black pepper contains pepperine, which may have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It also stimulates blood flow to the scalp and aids in hair growth. Then finally we have our mint leaf. Mint leaf is rich in menthol and mint, which help hair growth because of its ability to stimulate increased blood flow to the scalp and hair roots, which promotes healthy hair follicles and longer, fuller hair. So we are going to be preparing it. First thing I did was to put my black seed, fenugreek, and the black pepper into a mortar and pound it roughly. I pounded it roughly. Then next I'm adding 3 to 2 cups of water in the pot and put it on heat, put it on a boil. So I'm adding my fenugreek, my pounded fenugreek, black seed, and black pepper to this recipe inside the water right now, like so. Then goes in my lavender. Lavender is very good. It has a high anti-inflammatory effect on the scalp, and I've added the mint leaf now into the water like so. Then I'm going to stir it and allow them to come to a boil. This wonderful hairspray is natural. Allow it boil like so thoroughly, like 45 minutes, so that all the herbs will be able to release all its goodness into the water. This hairspray regrowth recipe will definitely stop your hair fall. It is natural and it is even better compared to minoxidil because it has been proven that mint or peppermint even does better compared to minoxidil. And you know that minoxidil is not natural. When you stop using it, the problem persists. So this natural hairspray regrowth recipe or remedy will definitely stop your hair fall, strengthen thinning hair, strengthen your hair strands, makes your hair fuller and thicker, and also help with alopecia treatment. So I've boiled it for like 45 minutes and I've put it down like so. I'll allow it to cool for a while, and then I'm gonna sieve it into this glass jar like so. I'll be sieving it into the glass jar now. This recipe should be used as a leave-in treatment, and it contains no mess because there is no oil in it. So you can use it as a leave-in treatment. It contains conditioning herbs, just like lavender is a very, very good conditioner. Herbs with scalp treatment, and mint helps stimulate blood flow to the scalp, which in turn leads to what? Leads to hair growth. And you know that when your hair is conditioned, what happens? it reduces the rate of what? Dryness, and dryness is what causes what? Breakage. So this hair regrowth spray is a must try. It's a must try. So now I'll be transferring the sieved liquid now into a spray bottle. Allow it to cool down a bit before transferring it into the spray bottle. Black seed also helps prevent graying as well. Black seed stimulates hair regrowth. It restores hair growth in the thinning areas because of its high concentration in thymoquinone, which is a powerful antihistamine that is found in what? In black seed. So if you have not been using black seed, you need to start incorporating black seed into your hair regimen. Black seed is also known as the miracle seed. So I've transferred it with the aid of a funnel into a spray bottle. Sisters, you need to try this hair regrowth spray. It helps with bald spots, it helps regrow bald spots, even your edges. It also helps with thinning hair, both for men and women, and it helps with alopecia treatment. It helps treat alopecia. So now it's application time. I'm going to be spraying this mixture now on my strands. I'm going to be spraying it on my strands. I left my hair in twists. I've washed my hair. My hair is fresh, is washed neat, so I put it up in twists. So I'll be showing you all how I use my hair regrowth spray for bald spots and thinning hair. This regrowth spray is suitable for both men and women, and it also helps with alopecia treatment. I tell you guys, sisters, you need to try this. It has strengthened my hair. It has helped me reduce hair fall, hair breakage, and hair thinning. My hair has really improved so much. So I'm spraying it on my strand and also on my scalp. Spray it on your scalp too, and massage it thoroughly on the scalp to stimulate blood flow on your scalp. Massage it thoroughly on the scalp, spray it on other strands, and do some finger detangling like so. You can see that bounce. So spray it on your hair, on the tip, every part of your hair. Sisters, you need to try this. Fenugreek is one of the best herbs ever. You also need to try, and this hair regrowth spray contains wonderful herbs like black seed, fenugreek, mint, and lavender. All these herbs are amazing herbs that helps with hair regrowth, that helps treat baldness, and also helps reduce hair fall. So now I have applied my leave-in conditioner. I applied mainly on my tip and then walk it through the other parts of my hair. I also applied my almond oil, and now I'm going in with my shea butter. Applying it more on my tip, and then twist your hair down. So I'm twisting my hair down. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, sisters, please do well to subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Like and share this video with your friends and families. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. So now I'm going to be doing it all over in other parts of my hair as well. I'll do the same thing I did, and then